jumped off arm at the The JF506E series of transmissions has been in production since 1999. Found in Mazda, Volkswagen, and Jaguar vehicles, to name a few. Technicians are now reporting after an overhaul a buzzing or a groaning noise coming from the unit. Looking all over for the noise, no one can find the noise. Many technicians have tried in the past to overfill the transmission approximately 2 quarts of fluid, and the noise disappears. The pump gasket suction port area has been the area of concern. Upon removal of the initial factory gasket, be sure not to mar up or gall up or score up the surface area. Any damage to the surface area or the surface area on the pump body must be addressed. Please dress the area out with a quality whetstone so the surface remains flat as possible so the new gasket can adhere to the case and the pump cleanly. Pay attention to the filter fit also coming into the pump body. Take note that the filters can be damaged in shipping. Notice the locating tab here. Make sure it locates properly in the case so the filter sits flat on the suction body where it's supposed to. Any damage to the filter has to be noticed immediately. As the filter cannot be changed with the transmission in the vehicle, the transmission has to be removed. Upon installing the pump should be torqued down to 80 inch-pounds with a quality torque wrench. Take a look at your screen now for the torque sequence chart that's been used by many technicians worldwide with excellent results. We hope you've enjoyed today's technical training video. I gotta go on a road test right now, so we'll see you guys around.